I'm going to get my hiccup medicine because I... Hiccup.
Hiccup?
Hiccup.
Yeah. Oh, you got the hiccups. You need to drink some water. Upside down while holding your breath and spinning and counting to 50. Oh.
A few moments earlier.
That is not normal behavior. I don't know what the deal is here. I mean, she's floating upside down. She's tooting and pooping all over the place. Can hardly even breathe. She's smacking me. I mean, this is just not good.
She has all that to wrap and he doesn't mind.
Well, let me just say they're made for each other. I'll put it that way. If he likes that is his problem, not mine. I am not into that kind of stuff.
Toot cloud.
It's like your little thing is like toot propulsion. It keeps tooting to spin you around. Anyhow, next summer.
She's done hibernating.
Oh, okay.
Hi, best friend.
Oh, hey, Rappelina. You got that gas situation
What gas
fixed? Well, when you were hibernating, you kept pooping and tooting on me. It was really terrible. Yeah, you were. Yeah, it was really bad. It was very, very unpleasant.
I have shorts under these ones.
Okay.
I'm going to get my hiccup medicine because I... Hiccup.
Hiccup? Yeah.
Hiccup.
Oh, you got the hiccups. You need to drink some water. Upside down while holding your breath and spinning and counting to 50. Oh. Sure, that's what I do when I had the hiccups. I go upside down.